Hey everyone, these are neck isometric contractions that we use for a variety of things, including strengthening the neck, reducing pain in the neck. And I like to give them to people who like to self-adjust their neck a lot as an alternative to adjusting their neck when they feel like they really need to. So all you're going to do is have a seat. There's going to be a few different directions that you can play with. Some directions might feel a little bit better for you or might be more effective. Use whichever ones that you like or feel good for you. The first one will be just lateral flexion. So you're going to put your hand on the side of your head. You're going to push your head into your hand at about a 20 to 50% contraction. So you're just going to hold that for about 10-15 seconds and then let it go. And we can repeat these contractions 3 to 4 times. So the same thing on the other side. I'm pushing my head this way into my hand, and my hand is just holding my head there so that it doesn't move. The second direction is rotation. So again, with our hand on the side of our head, we can now turn our head into our hand. Again, hold. Same thing from the other side. Just turn your head into your hand. And then the last two directions are flexion and extension. So using both hands, you can put them on your forehead. And I'm trying to nod my head down, trying to bring my chin to my sternum. And again, with my hands, just making sure that this is an isometric contraction. And lastly, for extension, I like to interlock my fingers and then place them behind my head. And I'm trying to push my head into my hand. So I'm trying to look up as my hands hold my head where it is. So hold these contractions for about 10 to 15 seconds. We can do it 3 to 4 times at a time. You should feel better after you do these. You should never feel worse. And hopefully you feel like you don't need to crack your neck. You can also play with different angles. So I went over just pure lateral flexion, rotation, flexion, extension. We can also do, a combination. So maybe going diagonally this way kind of feels good. Feel free to play with that. Sometimes going up diagonally backwards like this also feels good. Those are our neck isometric contractions. Please let me know if you have any questions.